Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. Today, I'll be reviewing an RGB video light. Alright? But you know how we do before we get started. Let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright, now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, today I'm going to be reviewing an RGB video light. Here it is right here. There's a box. Let me tell you where you can get it from before we get started. You can get it right here off Amazon for $109. And right now they said they're having a site, depending on when you're watching this video, they got like a $10 extra coupon off. So you can get it for $99.99. So, you know, so depending on when you're watching the video, they might still have this coupon up there. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, let me give you a few specs on it. It says RGB camera camcorder video light from a company called Pixel. It's the Pixel LED video light, built-in 440 mAh battery, so you can basically use it as also as a power bank as well. And it's got 360 full color 9 lighting effects, 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. Let me see, nice pocket size with aluminum alloy shell. Also a nice carrying case comes with it. So I'm gonna give you some more specs on a minute. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Here's the box. Here's the front of the box. Here's the side, RGB coloring, high grade bulbs, CRI, adjustable color temperature, brightness adjustment, Type C port. That's a cool touch. Got Type C, no more of that micro USB, and it's got a lithium battery in here. Let's see what's on the back side. It's, you know, got your some more specs on the back side, all that good stuff. Nothing else on the sides. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Like I said, I've already had it out, checking it out, testing it. Like I said, I always like to test the stuff out before I do the video. This is what you get in the box. A nice carbon fiber looking. It's not. I don't think it's carbon fiber, but it's a nice hard shell case. Let's put the box to the side. Come on, box, get back on there. I'm trying to do it one hand. All right, get the box to the side. Nice carbon fiber like looking box, black and red colorway, pretty neat. And it's got like a little lanyard so you can carry it. You can loop it on something. If you got like a little carabiner, put a carabiner and clip it onto your backpack. Clip it onto clip it wherever you want to clip it at. You know what I'm saying? All right. Nice. This is a nice premium design too. Nice premium little feel. That's a good touch. Have a nice hard carrying case. So you ain't got it when you throw it in your bag. You ain't got to worry about it getting scratched up, knocked up against anything, because it's got this nice hard case to protect it. That's a good look. A lot of products nowadays don't come with like stuff like this. Don't come with hard shell cases to protect your product. If you spending that kind of money, you want something to protect it, right? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Show you what comes inside. All right. You got your instruction booklet, and let's see right here. Let's see what we got up in here. Toss the other little booklets to the side. You got your adapter, micro USB-C. You got your adapter right here, micro USB. So you can use it for power bank or whatever. And you get this nice little clip, so you can go ahead and clip it onto your camera. This will slide your hot shoe clip. Let me get it on here. Don't mind a dusty camera. You can clip it on there. But I'm gonna show you that in a few. So you get that with it. Let me take it off so you can see. You get that. You get your charging cord, like USB-C charging cord. Cool. And the star to show the light itself. So you get this nice little case. Put the light down. You get this nice little case, and you stuff all your accessories inside here. So you just stuff them inside. Bam, bam, and bam, bam. Got everything inside there, and the light fits in nice and snug right here. As you see, when I just took it out. Bam. Fits in just perfect. And you can put everything in there. You know what everything is. You ain't got to worry about it getting all messed up, throwing it in your tech bag. Bam, you got everything right there. Alright, here's the light itself. Here's the side. Here's some more. Here's some of the control buttons on the side right here. Your power buttons up top. Got a little nice LED screen. Has a little light gauge, whatever. Say RGB light, video light, and it tells you about the battery. 3.85 volt, 440 mAh rechargeable battery inside. Got the little branding, all that good stuff right here. And these get control. The control buttons on the side. It tells you what they are for. If you power it on, you got to hold it down for a few seconds for the power on. Then the screen comes on. So it tells you about, tells you all your information right here on the LED screen. The LED screen is a good touch. I like that. Get a nice little. It tells you where 5600 Kelvin right here. You got it. I got it all the way bright or high. And now let's put this to the side right here. And here's on the side, you have other controls to control it up and down. To control each feature. You can see them going down here. You got to put it back at the 100%. Put it back at 100%. You hit this button, and they go down. And they have another button where you can hit it to where it's like a time delay. They come on and stay on for a real bright for 90 seconds. I don't know if I got it set right there yet. Let me see. Okay, I cut it off. Got it on. Let's see if it does it. No, it didn't do it. I forgot how I had to play with it because I'm still playing with it, learning about it. But like I say, here's your little rocker switches right here. They do kind of push in, but they don't do anything for us pushing in. You just got to push them up and down to control your different menu options right here. And you got your micro USB-C. You got your USB-C right here, charging slot, where you can go ahead and plug your wire in here. Let's see. Bam. You're good to go. Got your adapter, all that good stuff. That's cool. So you want to charge something up, you can use that to charge something up. So you plug this in and charge up your device. And I had something around here that I could use to charge up. Let's see. I have all these little cables laying around everywhere. Let's see, what can we charge up? Well, we'll get to that in a minute. I'll find something to charge it up. But let's go ahead and turn it on. I hope this don't blind everybody. But bam. Very bright. And right now, if I'm not mistaken, I got it in like in the color mode where it's a cycle through all the colors. Let's go in the back. Let me turn the light down in the studio. As you can see here, got it turned off. Bam. Bright white. Now it's in a fade mode, and it's in the RGB fade mode, and it's got your strobe mode, and then back. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. This is pretty cool light. Let me turn the lights back up. Let me turn that bad boy off. There we go. We got it turned off. Let's turn the lights back up in the studio. Whoa. I'm blinding everybody. Okay. All right. Now, let's take this adapter out. And like I say, it comes with the hot shoe mount. You can go ahead and you can either screw it in on this side, on the bottom, or you do it on the top. But we're going to do it on the bottom. All right. And then I'm going to show you how you can mount it on whatever you want to mount it on. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it on the camera, and I'm going to put it on one of my little tripods. All right. Hold for a second, and we'll get to that. Okay, I'm going to show you like I said before. You could have this thing mounted. You have this video light mounted on several different things. Now it comes with, you know, the mount right here, how you mount to put on top of the camera. So I'm gonna put this on real quick and show you how. Make sure I got it. Make sure I got it on the bottom. So I'm go ahead and put it on the bottom. Twist it on. Make sure I get it on there real good. And this is the mount that comes with it. And I have my my old Canon T6i. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it to the hot shoe mount right here. Make sure I had it on here earlier testing it out. So let me see. I might need to open up. Yeah, I need to open up a little bit more. So open up a little bit more. Slide it in. Come on, baby, slide in. There we go. Got it slid in. Then you go down to the bottom, tighten it up. You make sure you got it on good and tight. Bam. And there you go. You can have it on your camera just like this. You know, use your camera, what have you. You know, however you want to film or whatever. You can do it like that. Or I'm gonna take it off of here and put it on my Gorilla Pod, you know, so I can mount it on there. Let me take this off. And I'm gonna show you how the lighting looks on the back. Let me go ahead and mount this on. Bam! I got it mounted to my Gorilla Pod. And point it down a little bit so you can see it. There we go. Trying to get down as low as possible. But anyway, so I got it mounted on there. You can see it in front, see it in the back. Now I'm gonna turn some of the lights down in the studio so you can see how the lighting effect looks. Alexa, turn off office.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off studio.
Okay.
Alright, we got it nice and dark in here. Here we go. I think I got to turn one more light off. One more light to turn off. Alright, now we got it nice and dark in here. Turn on the light itself. And let me see. You see it glowing right here? Bam. There we go. Cycle through all the colors. You go through all the different, as you can see right there, it's like a nice little fade in and out coloring. And let me show you here. Hit it again. There goes, cycles through all the different colors. Cycling through all the different colors right there. You got your reds, your blues, and it's gonna look a little different because I got the green screen up right here, so it's gonna look a little different. But you get your red, and you see how it cycles through like that. And let's go ahead and click it again. Then you got like your strobe, whatever. There's your strobe right there, and then back to like a fade. And I got it right now on the brightest setting. And let me turn around real quick and show you how this thing is. Ooh, the thing is bright. It's lighting up the whole studio. It's bright. Well, just about the whole studio. It's like I got it on the highest setting. So if you're looking for, you know, light for your, you know, do some YouTube videos, what have you, or photography, this will be a pretty neat pickup. You know, it's priced at a decent price. You know, at $109 with a $10 off coupon. And you know, at this time, so I don't know how long they're gonna have that coupon on there, but yeah, this would be definitely a good pickup. Let me see if I can hit another setting on here. Okay, that's just the bright white light. All right, let me turn the lights back on in the studio. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
All right, got the lighting back on there. Alexa, turn on office.
Okay.
Okay, we back in business. So yeah, if you're in need of a nice little video light for your, you know, do your YouTube videos, what have you, this is a nice little light to pick up. Like I said, you get all your different settings. You know, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down below for where you can get this at, and where you can check it out, and it'll show more information on it. Cause I'm still learning it as well. This is a little different lights than I'm used to using. So like I say, I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with it. But I just wanted to show you guys, see what you can get to try to help out with your lighting stuff for your videos or photography, whatever. Let me see. Give you some more product features on here. Let's see what it says right here. Oh yeah, I didn't show the charging feature. Like I said, you can use this to charge up a device. Matter of fact, I got my little flashlight right here that has my KeySmart flashlight, and I'm gonna charge up the battery on it. Let me take the battery out of here. And let me see, this is micro USB. I got a micro USB cord here. I'm gonna plug that in here. And where is the, okay, as you see right here on the side. Now if you wanted to charge something up, you got to have your adapter. You got your adapter right here. Plug your adapter in here, and bam, plug it in here, so you can go ahead and charge up the device, and bam. I don't know if you guys can see that LED. Matter of fact, let me turn the lights down right here. You can see it. Bam, it's charging. You see it's charging. I'm using the light to charge the battery. Too cool. So you can use use this light to also charge up your devices. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. Use it as a power bank. All right. I think that's about it right now. Yeah. Like I said, it's a 4040 mAh battery in there. So rechargeable battery, so you can use it to charge the devices. All right. Turn them lights back up to the studio, slowly. All right. But that's been my review of the Pixel RGB video light. All right. If you're in the market for one of these video lights, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box down below, so you can check it out for yourself. And if you have any questions, leave them for me, and I'll go ahead and try to answer all the questions I can. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, because once we get that 2,000 subscribe mark, I'm gonna be doing giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. And see, the message for the day is, don't be a gossiper. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that person that always talking about other people and everything, and gossiping about what's going on with so-and-so guy, what so-and-so ain't doing, what so-and-so is doing. Don't be a gossip. Worry about what you got going on. It's already hard enough to worry about your own business. Stop worrying about other people's business, talking about other people's business. You know what I'm saying? That gets you nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Stop gossiping. Don't be a gossiper. That's the message for the day. All right? This has been your boy Mark from Loose Screw Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.